ActiveCampaign integrates with over 950 apps, including online education tools like Thinkific, Moodle, Kajabi, Teachery, and more. Integrating your online course software with ActiveCampaign allows you to power streamlined workflows and drive higher student engagement through automation. Each online course software has its own unique connection pathway, and you can explore the apps directory to find comprehensive help documentation for each process. Middleware integrations like Kajabi, Moodle, and Teachery can be connected through Zapier. However, a tool like Thinkific offers a custom direct connection, which we always recommend utilizing. These direct connections enhance functionality and open up automation capabilities, making your integration strategy even more effective. This video will explore creating a Thinkific integration and best practices for leveling up connections between ActiveCampaign and your online education software. To establish a connection between ActiveCampaign and Thinkific, first ensure that you are logged into both accounts. You will then head to your Thinkific account and go to the App Store. Search for ActiveCampaign and click Install. In a separate browser, head to your ActiveCampaign account. Then to Settings in the bottom left of your navigation, and find Developer in the sub-navigation. From here, you will copy and paste the API URL and the API key into Thinkific under the ActiveCampaign app details page. Once you click Save, you should see a Settings button. After clicking on Settings, you will click Add Domains. Then head back to ActiveCampaign, to Website in your main navigation, and to Site Tracking. Copy the tracking code and paste it back into the tracking code box in Thinkific. You will need to add a snippet to the tracking code that can be found in the help article linked in the description below. Once complete, head back to ActiveCampaign, copy the event key and event ACTID, and paste them into the corresponding fields in Thinkific. Lastly, toggle to activate any of the necessary events to finish configuring your integration. One of the biggest advantages of integrating your online education tools with ActiveCampaign is streamlined communication. ActiveCampaign allows you to automate emails and notifications based on your users' actions. For example, you can send welcome emails to new students, reminders for upcoming classes, or even personalized feedback based on a student's progress through your course. This ensures that your communication with students is timely, relevant, and efficient, ultimately enhancing their learning experience. You can create personalized learning journeys in ActiveCampaign using the start trigger Event is Recorded, and select from the options like Courses Completed or New Enrollment. Integrating with your online education platform allows you to track each student's progress and deliver targeted content to resources accordingly. This approach improves engagement and boosts retention rates as students receive content tailored to their individual needs. When configuring your integration, you can define which crucial custom field data you want to be synced into your ActiveCampaign account. You can then use that information when setting up conditions and actions within your automations. These connections can also supercharge your marketing and sales efforts. You can use automation to nurture leads, convert prospects into paying students, and even upsell additional courses or services based on individual interests and behavior. This ensures that your marketing efforts are strategic, maximizing your ROI. Once you get ActiveCampaign integrated with your online education software, maximizing the power of these connections is vital. Do not skip out on setting up automations like a welcome series, a course completion follow-up, or a re-engagement campaign. While you can build automations from scratch, ActiveCampaign also offers over 10 online training education automation recipes. Recipes are like automation templates. The logic is already built for you when you import it into your account, and all you need to do is customize it with your business's details and go live. Whether you're focused on improving communication, personalizing learning journeys, boosting marketing efforts, managing data effectively, or enhancing student engagement, by effectively integrating your ActiveCampaign with your online education tool, you can create a seamless and engaging experience for your customers while optimizing your marketing efforts to drive enrollment and retention. Happy connecting!
Subscribe to our channel below for more content like this. And to try ActiveCampaign free for 14 days, visit ActiveCampaign.com.